We as members of the Faculty of Agriculture in Annamalai University have triple mandate. We need to teach, we need to research, and we need to extend whatever we research and find out from the lab to the land or farm to the folk. We are lying in the coastal tract of Tamil Nadu, and we are in the midst of 4 districts which are identified as to have been disadvantaged by the Planning Commission of India. Earlier, the traditional farming system was to grow rice followed by a pulse, and they were having 2 to 3 crops of rice with the river water supporting pre-monsoon and post-monsoon crops. And now, with the dispute with the adjoining state, namely Karnataka, in sharing the river water, both the pre-monsoon and post-monsoon crops have gone off, and the farmers are left over with the choice of only 1 crop of rice during the monsoon season. This is a research project on integrating poultry birds, fish culture and rice together. What we have done is an innovation in the sense the poultry dropping straight away comes to the field, because the whole cage is made up of wooden frames and wire mesh. The poultry dropping gets dissolved in water, serves as a manure for the crop and a feed source for the fish. The fishes swim into the rice field, feeds on pests and weeds. So there is a perfect integration of rice, fish and poultry. The Asian population, mainly the farmers, as per the World Health Organization and Food and Agriculture Organization report, are undernourished with animal protein. By projects which we have done, we have shown that this technology improves the livelihood standards of rural poor farmers.
இந்த ஒவ்வொரு வருஷத்துக்கும் இந்த ப்ராஜெக்டை பற்றி அண்ணாமலை யூனிவர்சிட்டியில் பல்கலைக்கழகத்துலேருந்து எங்களுக்கு கொடுக்குறாங்க விவசாயிக்காக. ஒவ்வொரு வாட்டியும் வந்து ஒரு வருஷத்துக்கு 3 வாட்டி கொடுப்பாங்க எங்களுக்கு. நெல், மீன், கோழி ஒவ்வொரு சீசனுக்கு ஒரு வருஷத்துக்கு 3 வாட்டி கொடுப்பாங்க. ஒரு சீசனுக்கு 3 வாட்டி கொடுப்பாங்க. அந்த அந்த ஒரு வாட்டிக்கும் ஒவ்வொரு வாட்டிக்கும் 2,000 எங்களுக்கு அந்த இது போக நாங்களுக்கு எங்களுக்கு லாபம் நிற்கிது. அதெல்லாம் ஒரு பக்கத்தில் மீன் ஒரு 2,000 ரூபாய்க்கு இந்த மீன் விற்போம், 2,000 ரூபாய்க்கு மீன் விற்போம்.
நல்ல மாதிரியாகவும் எங்களுக்கு இந்த கோழி இந்த மீனெல்லாம் வந்தனாலே நாங்கள் கொஞ்சம் நல்ல மாதிரியாகவும் இருக்கிறோம். எங்களுக்கு இப்போ எந்த கஷ்டமும் இல்லை, ரொம்ப கஷ்டப்பட்டுருக்காங்க. இப்போ நல்லா நிம்மதியாக இருக்கிறோங்க. இப்போ ஏடிஎம் மாரி எங்களுக்கு இந்த நேரம் காசு எடுத்து எங்களுக்கு கையில் காசு எந்த நேரமும் தேவைப்படுதுங்க நல்லா.
Our intention and our objective is to showcase that this technology also goes a long way in improving the nutritional status of resource poor rural farmers, and we would like to go further for upscaling this project on a transition to scale.
Annamalai rice fish poultry farming system technology was developed by Professor R.M. Kadiresan, present Vice Chancellor of Annamalai University, for the benefit of farmers in the disadvantaged districts of Tamil Nadu. This technology increased the income of poor farmers. We have conducted on-farm field research in 100 farmers' holdings in various villages, namely Kuthankoil, Manjakollai, Pinnalur, Mudigandanallur and Sakti Vilagam in Kuruvai season. In the subsequent season also, we are planning to conduct on-farm field research in another 100 farmers' holdings in different villages to disseminate this technology further. I wholeheartedly thank RUSA to R&I for providing financial assistance to carry out the research work in successful manner. I am very much thankful to State Project Director, Principal Secretary to Higher Education and Project Manager for their kind cooperation in successful completion of Phase 1 project. I am also thankful to the RUSA authorities for their kind acceptance to provide Phase 2 project fund. Annamalai University is very grateful to RUSA.